Motion sickness is typically uncommon among experienced pilots, but is more common among student pilots and passengers. Factors that can increase a person's susceptibility to motion sickness include fatigue, alcohol, drugs, medications, stress, illness, anxiety, fear, and insecurity. Pilots who keep their mental focus on the task of flying are less likely to be affected by motion sickness because their attention is occupied. A pilot who is susceptible to motion sickness should not take any medications designed to avoid motion sickness, as they can cause drowsiness or can affect brain functions in other ways. Remember,